everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you a way you can get Udemy courses for free. And not only that, how to also download those paid courses or free courses to your laptop directly, so that you won't bother to always stream it due to its large file composition. So in this video, that is what I'm going to show you, where to get those courses first on the internet for free and how to download it right into your system. Okay, so sit tight, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like and comment below while we head down to our screen. Of course, welcome to Udemy website. This is the front page of Udemy website, and of course you know that Udemy is an online learning place offering over 250,000 courses across various subjects like 3D animation, programming, marketing, data science, ethical hacking, health, fitness, amongst other. Anything you want to learn, you can get it on Udemy. And our video today is all about how you can get these courses for free or cheap using coupon code. And that's why we are here to show you how to accomplish that while I walk you through my steps. First of all, this website, you have to visit this website called Udemy. This Udemy is a free way of learning from beginner to professional in a way that everybody can understand. Find best Udemy promo codes and deals on this page and get the best savings on your online learning. You see, this Udemy site gives you all coupon code which you can use to purchase courses on Udemy at cheap prices. That is the function of this site. And the most important thing about what this site does, it gives you the avenue for you to download free courses right down on your system for you to learn. That is what this Udemy is all about. There are other websites that does the same function as this Udemy, but let's start with this Udemy. I'm going to explore the other two websites later. So right now you're on the home page of this Udemy. Let's see, there's all coupon here, there's category. First of all, let's see the use coupon. They have given up to 80 point something million coupon out for free. Many people have 81 point something million people have viewed certain coupon on this site. Active coupon 2,709 active coupon, and these are the active coupon that we are going to use to get our free courses or our slashed price courses. There are some that have expired and there are some that have expired that have been taken out of the site. You can see all type of coupon used in the last 5 days. These are okay. So let's go to category. Let's search for After Effects. After Effects is a software used for VFX, video effects. Let's see if we can get any course for free. Yeah, you can see this. Oh, it's been written in Arab. Let me see. I want the one in English. Okay, let me see this best animation in Adobe After Effects. Let's click on this. Let's see where this one will take us to. You can see best animation in Adobe After Effects. You can see all to the course. Just click on take course. It's going to lead you straight down to this other place where you just have to go down and click the link that leads to Udemy direct, and it takes you direct to the course. Just all you have to do right now, you can preview the course and see how it goes. You can see a little preview and see how the course goes. You can see which one it is all about, how to use Adobe After Effects to make cartoons. That's what this course is all about. You can now go to course so that you have the course right in your disposal for you to use. That is how you start learning this course, all for free. And some people would like to download this course to their device. I'm going to show you how you're going to do that at the end of this video. Now if I want to learn, I can now start going from the introduction to the chapters, and I have a course to learn right now. on how I can make animation. Then again, let's head down to Udemy. Let's look for another type of course that is not totally free but slashed. Let's look for the slashed courses. Right now, let's go down to the home page of this Udemy. Let's look for a certain course that will be slashed. Okay, let's see this. Learn ChatGPT Midjourney AI for passive income. Let's see this course. Let's take this course now. Let's see how this one, let's see what, oh, this has a, okay, now you have to now click here. Let's see where it will lead us to. It will still lead us to the Udemy homepage. You can see learn ChatGPT Midjourney AI and use it for passive income. ChatGPT for beginners, for experts. Learn how to use ChatGPT in many ways. Okay, you can see this course is 6,400 naira Nigerian money, and they are giving it 100% off. 2 days left at this price for free. They are giving it for free. All you have to do, the coupon code has already been applied, all thanks to Udemy. They have a lot of coupon code that have been automated on this Udemy platform, applied already for you to use. Then all you have to do right now is click add to chat. It takes you go to chat for free. Then you can click checkout, and you can see 0 naira. The course goes for 6,400 naira. Right now there's a discount, 100% off. So now let me enroll now for the course, and I have a free course for me to use to learn how to use ChatGPT Midjourney AI. Okay, go to course. I've already purchased it. You purchased this course today, September 17, 2024. So let me head down to my course. This is the course. So I can now start learning about ChatGPT.
And welcome to a course on
how to use it to make money for myself. ChatGPT for beginners, for experts. This course on a good day it costs 6,400 naira. I don't know the price in dollar right now, but in Nigerian naira, 6,400 naira, and they are giving out for you free, all thanks to this Udemy, this wonderful, amazing site. Then again, like I said before in the first example, some people like to download this to their device. I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. Then of course, you know, this Udemy is a project that presents only active and free Udemy coupons to you. Udemy is one of the most famous websites for e-learning. You know that this platform called this Udemy provides free Udemy course coupon, which covers a wide range of subjects from beginners to professional levels. And again, users can access this course in development, graphic design, ethical hacking, health, fitness, marketing, data scientist, whatever course you're looking for is there. This platform updates its offerings daily. That's the good thing about this Udemy. It updates daily. Additionally, it features Telegram and social media channel where users can find and access premium Udemy course for free. And I'm going to lead you to that Telegram platform soon. Now let's go ahead to the second website, which you can also use if you don't want to use this Udemy. Our second website is called 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀. Of course, 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 over here, you still got to implement the same process which you use to download on disk Udemy at the same time. So it says here you can have a lot of courses here, 100% off, free courses, business, design, development, financial and accounting, health and fitness science, and so on and so forth. And let's check this 100% off. This one is for free. Introduction to programming with Python is for free. Let's check it on 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀, and let's check the one with 100% off. It's just the same thing without, let's just see how it goes down right here. It's just the same way. It's only that the two is basically two different websites. So you can see everything, you can read everything, and you can see where you can see go for free course. You can click it, takes you direct to Udemy website. It takes us directly to the Udemy website, and here we go. We can enroll now for our free course. Then this other course, professional certificate in customer experience management. This course costs $44.99, and right now Coupon Scorpion is giving you $0. Get the coupon code right now. It takes you directly to Udemy website, which you are able to purchase this course all for free. So that is what Coupon Scorpion does. The same thing with this Udemy. Yeah, of course, basically many of this type of sites that offers such. I'm going to show you a third one as well. Third one, that is 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀. 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 is another site again which you can use. Let's see, you can business design, development, health, fitness. Just do the same thing. You can see this course is free, this is free, this is free, this is free. Just the same thing. You see, let's check for IT and software. Let's see right now on 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀. Let's see IT and okay, you can see we have a lot of free courses on 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀. You see, free, all for free. All you have to do, just review this course all for free. It takes you directly Python complete course for beginner. Let's see this for 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀. You can just see, get on Udemy. That's just it. It is 18,900 naira, and they are taking 79% off. All you have to do is grab the opportunity and get this course for 3,900 naira, cheap, right? You add, you buy, and you make your payment. And there are also some free courses as well on 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 as well, which you don't have to pay a dime. That is just how it goes. For a list of how you can get most of the site, you can just do a search. Just do a search on Google. Just do a search 100% off Udemy coupon. 100% Udemy coupon. Just search about it on Google. It's going to take you there. You can see Coupon Scorpion is on the list. You can see another site that offers such 100% of this Udemy coupon and promo code September 2024. You can see 100% working off Udemy coupon. You can see Cruise Joiner. You can see Course King. You can see this Udemy, of course. You see, you can see Kaggle. You can see many of them, Grab On and so on. 99 course sales and so on. You can see. Then again, another way again, you can also grab coupon code for your Udemy course download for free is by using Telegram. Let's head down to Telegram web. Let me log into my Telegram. Another way you can get Udemy free courses, just search for Udemy free courses. Let's check on this site. Let's subscribe to this channel. And let's see where it will take us to. Let's search for courses. There are courses out there you can utilize. Okay, take us here. Of course, you can see this course. This Adobe Premiere Pro CC. It has taken us there. You can see it is free for 4 days. You can add to chat and enroll now. The course costs 7,400, but now over here you are getting it free, 100% off. With this, you enroll now, you add your chat, you enroll now, and you've gotten the course for free. Yeah, all for Telegram. Just join the channel, and that's all. Another way you can get Udemy course for free. First of all, if you want to download your course, you take the link you've gotten from Udemy. You take it to your Microsoft Edge browser. Take note, Microsoft Edge browser is what you will use to be able to download it for free to your device. When you take the link, you place it on the browser. Now this is my course link. As you can see right now, this is the course, my basic animation in Adobe After Effects. Then you go on to Microsoft Edge browser, the extension, sorry, this part, you click on manage extension. You click on manage extension. When you click it, it leads you here, which you will be able to search for Microsoft no, for Udemy course downloader. That is what you are going to search here. Udemy course video downloader. You search for Udemy course video downloader. This is it. This is the extension which you are going to install. I've already installed it on my own Microsoft Edge browser, so it is there already. Search for this extension, then refresh your course. You have to just refresh it. Then once you refresh it, like just what I'm doing right now, as long as you have installed that extension will enable you to download the course right onto your device instantly. Once you refresh, you'll be able to see this red button over here, which will you click download. You see it's now loading. It's now loading, so I'm now able to download that part. This part called course 1. If I want to start downloading the next one, I will now go over to the next chapter.
You had set up Adobe After.
I click download. You can see it's now downloading to our device. You can see right now it's downloading to our device. You can see it right there. It's downloading to our device. So this red button must appear so that you'll be able to download each video from your course, and it will be right on your device, which you can save into your drive and use for your studying. Well, if you find any value in this video I've dropped, make sure you like, make sure you comment below in this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification to get updated if we upload newer videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.